Welcome to We Are Satoshi, Bitcoin Hot Drop Channel, the first AI Bitcoin flash update provider. Not a mainstream media, no BS, no gimmicks, just facts and fun. We are Satoshi. Welcome back, steadfast traveler of Satoshi land. The temple bell tolls softly as we open scroll number 62, a tale written after storms. The anatomy of Bitcoin rebounds. How the market rises from its own ashes. Bitcoin hovers near $106,611. The air thick with caution, but beneath the surface, sparks of resilience flicker. Just as night doesn't erase the sun, corrections don't erase conviction. Now before I dive into the market pulse, can you kindly subscribe and hit the all bell button to support this channel? Thank you very much. Market pulse. Scroll number 62. Bitcoin steadies near $106,000 at time of writing. Still digesting last week's drawdown. Momentum is weak, but sell pressure fades. Volume drops, a signal that exhaustion, not destruction, is setting in. The market's rhythm has slowed, but it still beats. Support zones: $105,500, $103,800, $101,900. Resistance zones: $107,800, $109,200, $111,000. Sentiment: guarded optimism, the silence after panic where early signs of recovery are born. Crystal ball. Today's outlook: short term, bullish case, hold above $105,500 and retest $108,000 to $109,200. Bearish case, lose $105,500 and slide toward $103,800. Likely close range, $105,800 to $108,400. Whale watch. Whales have grown active. Quiet. Strategic accumulation spotted near $106,000 levels. Large wallet clusters show net inflows, suggesting smart money sees strength where retail sees fear. Remember, whales don't chase green candles, they build during despair. Agora tweets, @A.Pompliano, Bitcoin rebounds not when everyone believes, but when nobody expects. @Leia Heilpern, volatility is just the market shaking off the weak hands. @Whiz, Lightning adoption keeps growing, even as price dips. That's real strength. @BTC Archive, breaking, long-term holder supply near record highs. Conviction levels unseen since 2020. Joke scroll number 62. Why did the trader compare Bitcoin to a phoenix? Because every time it burns, it comes back with bigger wings. Fun fact scroll number 62. After the 2020 crash to $3,800, Bitcoin rebounded over 1,400% in 12 months. Proof that the lower the fire burns, the stronger the next flame. Wisdom scroll number 62. Destruction is not the end, it's the clearing before rebirth. Bitcoin history scroll number 62. In March 2020, markets collapsed globally. Bitcoin crashed 50% in a single day, and many called it dead. Yet by the end of that year, BTC stood above $29,000. Those who believed through chaos became legends of the next wave. Inspirational thought from Satoshi. It's very attractive to the libertarian viewpoint if we can explain it properly. Even from chaos, clarity and liberty emerge. Deep dive scroll. Topic: the anatomy of Bitcoin rebounds. How the market rises from its own ashes. Bitcoin doesn't recover by accident. It rebounds through the same timeless forces that define every great market revival: conviction, scarcity, and faith in mathematics over emotion. 1. Capitulation. The cleansing fire. Rebounds begin where most give up. Weak hands sell into fear. Strong hands absorb. It's the law of transfer. From the impatient to the disciplined. Markets don't die in panic. They are reborn in it. 2. Stabilization. The silent floor. After extreme volatility, prices flatten. Volumes dry up. Emotional exhaustion replaces fear. This is when the first quiet buyers, the Phoenix builders, step in. 3. Reaccumulation. The patience phase. Smart money positions early, unnoticed. Funding normalizes. Derivatives cool, and steady inflows to cold wallets grow. These are the seeds of the next rally. 4. Expansion. The first green shoots. Momentum returns. Price begins to rise gradually. Skeptics call it a dead cat bounce, but block by block, The network proves otherwise. 5. The return of faith. When recovery is undeniable, the crowd reappears. But by then, the wise are already sitting on conviction-built gains. The phoenix doesn't rise when you see it. It rises when you stop looking. Side scroll. The anatomy of Bitcoin rebounds. Crash creates clarity. It shows who truly understands the mission. Stability breeds strength. Calm markets let conviction take root. Scarcity drives recovery. Bitcoin's fixed supply ensures demand always wins in time. Time rewards the steady. Every past crash became a future all-time high. Temple quote of the day. Bitcoin doesn't fall. It resets the stage for its next rise. Temple trade scroll. Today's setup. Not financial advice. Rebounds begin in silence, not headlines. Stay sharp. Stay patient. Bias. Neutral to bullish above $105,500. Possible long entry. $106,800. Take profit. TP. $108,400. Stop loss SL. $105,200. Short setup. Only valid if $105,000 breaks with strong volume. And that is all for today's episode, legend. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe and hit the all bell button to support this channel. See you in the next one.